Hi, I'm Nicole Levine, and welcome to Real Estate Success Academy, the channel built to help new and experienced real estate agents grow, scale, and close more deals. If you're just getting started in real estate, or if you've been in the business a while, this is the right place to take you to the next level. Welcome. I teach 21 agent success strategies, everything from business planning and lead generation to scripts, objection handling, and closing techniques. These are the exact systems top agents use to get more clients and close more transactions. I've spent 15 of the last 20 years of my career coaching and training agents, including running workshops and coaching with major national organizations. We help you go from your first deal to building a team. And I'm here to share all of my experience with you, along with my business partners, so you don't have to figure it out on your own. Subscribe now and you'll get weekly coaching and training videos designed to help you grow your business and work smarter, not harder. If you're ready to take the next step, you can click on the Calendly link in the description to schedule a free discovery call. I'm always happy to help. And let's see where we can get your business to grow this year, further than you ever thought possible. Thanks for coming, friend. Talk to you soon.